Can the way we live with technology be different? Before we answer, we need to look at the actual world we live in. The world has gotten more complex. Relationships are more complex. There's so much information and content, more technology and tools than we can handle. If new technologies make us relearn things, scrapping what's comfortable for what's new, the world only gets more difficult. Technology should understand us. Moments when you need information, moments when you don't. A place to share with others, a place to be alone. Times when you can use a hand and time all to yourself. Not adding needless information to your life, but telling you at the right moment. Not spending time learning new tools, but helping you focus on what's important in life. This is the world Ambient Intelligence wishes to bring to you. Ambient Intelligence Company, NAVER Labs.